Hi friends, I am making this video today on health, and as you know, health is wealth. And during the time of corona pandemic, health is something which is dear to all of us, and that's the pretty reason I'm making this video. The purpose of making this video is also to make it more interactive. So far I've been making video which were all about what I want to say. Lately I've realized that many of my audience, they have some queries, so I thought of solving their queries also. That's the prime motto of this video. As we all know, we have audiences of various socio-economic strata, and everyone has their own queries. So to begin with, I'll talk something which is more important during the time of corona, and that is jogging, brisk walk, meditation, yoga. You all have been doing it for such a long time, but now is the time when you should do it regularly without any default. Why I'm saying brisk walk most important? As I've mentioned in my early videos, brisk walk increases endorphins in the body. Many of you know what is endorphins, but today I'll add something more to what I've been saying so far. Endorphins are biochemicals in the body which increases when we do brisk walk, jogging, sexual activity, exercise, like that. So endorphins, how they help? Endorphins act as painkillers. So those who have some sort of pain in their body because of any chronic ailment, so in that case, definitely endorphins will help. More endorphins will help. And even sexual activity is good for health. It increases endorphins. So that is one part of endorphin and brisk walk. Now nowadays even meditation is important because all of us are going through very stressful event, and many of us have so much of time also, so abundant of time that at times it leads to empty minds, devil's house. So to avoid that vacuum of empty mind, devil house, we should do meditation. Meditation helps you make your mind strong. The subconscious mind becomes strong. It relieves you of the anxiety. It helps you in the overall development. Those who believe in Vedic Shastra, uh, most of you must have heard of Brahm Muhurat. Brahm Muhurat is a time, say somewhere between 3:30 and 5:30, broadly. Brahm Muhurat is the time when cosmos helps you regain the energy. It sends you messages. So those who are doing meditation at this time will get cosmic help, which will increase their mental well-being as well as overall growth. So those who are getting up at Brahm Muhurat, that is very early in the morning, so even at that time the cosmic things also help them get growth in their life, financial, mental, social, everywhere. So that is why we always say early to bed, early to rise. Now, why I'm stressing so much on mental health in the beginning, because mental health right now is very important. Many people are undergoing a lot of financial stress, unemployment, so it's important. Apart from this, I will also stress on your digestive things. Now, not many are eating outside, but gradually, as the unlock is happening, people have started eating outside. As far as eating habits are concerned, I'll, as always, suggest that junk food must be avoided. Eat a lot of fruits, fresh fruits, seasonal fruits. Drink a lot of water. With respect to digestion, one thing which many of you must be knowing also, pudina chutney is very good. So those who are elderly, those who have coming out of some chronic problem, they must have pudina chutney, having ingredients like onion, bit of turmeric, little bit, imli, kali mirch, like that. So ingredients you can decide, but the nutshell is mint. Pudina chutney is very good for health. It increases your appetite. So that is why in the Indian meals you will find green chutney. Green chutney aids you in the digestion. So when you are going to start your meals, if you have 1 teaspoon of chutney half an hour before meals, that will increase even your appetite to a larger extent. But prefer to have mint in the meals, pudina chutney during the meals only, because it will increase your household chores and increase complexity to life. So meals means having chutney also in the meals, be it lunch or dinner. Now that I'm talking about lunch and dinner, my dear friends, let me tell you that so far we have been so busy in our life that we have forgotten what meals are. Meals are a combination of balanced diet, everything, protein, carbohydrate, fats, and apart from this, we have forgotten that salad is very important. I bet, I am very confident that over the decades, especially those who are living in metro, their thali, their meals, they are eating in adequate quantity, but the composition has defaulted. Like, people have stopped eating salad regularly. They are eating salad, but they stopped eating regularly. That's what I want to say. Salad adds fibers to your meals. So normally everybody should eat salad. It should change every day. Sometimes cucumber, sometimes radish, sometimes tomato. Variety of salad you should have depending on your blood status. Like, now that I have mentioned blood status, means like those who are having high uric acid, they should avoid tomato. So these small nitty-gritty things you should manage. But then overall, salad everybody should eat. Now, who should eat more salad? Those who are obese, fat, they should have special emphasis on salad. Like, half an hour before meals they should get one small plate of salad extra from the quota of salad that is made for the family. They should take it on their own, should not disturb their spouse or their moms. Take it on your own. Rather, you take initiative. Those who are obese, they should take initiative in making salad every day. They should make salad for the family. So, because salad is more important for obese people rather than for those who are slim and okay with digestion, no constipation. So those who are obese, those who are having regular constipation, they should take initiative in the house and make salad. Once salad is made before meals, so it's still half an hour to go, but you take salad, small plate of salad, and finish it before the meal arrives on your table. During meals also you take salad as you take the meals, grab the meals. Now the family has finished the dinner, but those who are constipated and obese, they should take another small plate of salad and finish it. So that means obese and constipated people should have salad before meals, during meals, and even after meals. So that is what I was saying. This will help them in reducing weight, those who are obese, because salad they have a lot of fiber content, they don't have calories. And how salad will help those who are constipated? Because of fibers in the salad, it will increase the content in their intestines, and that will help them relieve of the stool in the morning. So when it is bulky, it will come out. Now coming to vitamins. Vitamins are also equally important in building immunity. I'm talking everything with regard to corona nowadays, especially in this video. So why take tablets of vitamin C or any other vitamins? Why not take seasonal fruits? Now that summers are going on, every one of you can have shikanji, lemonade, having a little bit of sugar, having a little bit of salt, pinch of black pepper, and adding even a pinch or two of jeera, the one which is properly dried and made powder. So that is also good. In Indian households, jeera is dried on hot plate and powdered regularly once or twice in a week. So freshly made jeera powdered after having dried it on the hot plate, it adds flavor to the lemonade, and it's pretty cool also. And adding to that, which many do not emphasize, that is mental health. So during times of corona, when everybody is in stress, people should talk to each other. You can meet each other in the park with social distance and talk with your friends in the open space. I mean, must share. If you don't get time or place, then you should phone each other, talk to each of your friends, at least one friend at least once in a week. So that way, if you have 30 friends, you will cover them 30 good friends. Naturally, you will talk regularly to those friends, and you must take care of your good friends. So over the time, you will finish with your good friends, depending on the availability of your time. So that is your homework. When you talk to so many of your good friends, they will remind you what I'm reminding you. So good friends keep you motivated, will help you get a new job, may even help you in your lifetime goals. So with that, my dear friends, I end the video. Over the time, you people have also become my good friends. I expect that you will get benefited from this video. I know because of paucity of time, I may not have covered everything. I've tried what is important during times of corona, so I mentioned. But there are many things disturbing so many people of all over the world. Everybody has their own queries. So if you have any, you can put them in below in the contents. I'll definitely read them, put my mind into that. How can I help you? I'll definitely respond to you through comment, and if many of you have that same kind of query, I may even make a new video on that bunch of queries, so that with that single video many of you will benefit. I'm a doctor myself, and I believe that health is wealth, and every one of you should have a doctor friend who can advise you on good health time and time again. No one wants to visit the doctor, even I will suggest so. Prevention is better than cure. So if you follow a good advice of a doctor friend, so you will have less chances of going to a hospital or a doctor. Always you must have seen in Bollywood that every family has a family doctor. So you should have a doctor friend whom you can interact regularly regarding your health. I'm one of those. Most of the common ailments that people have nowadays is mental health. Due to unemployment, family stress, corona epidemic, it affects your health. Constant stress, sustained stress, disturbs your hormonal imbalance, and it reflects in your personality and the overall growth of the mental mind. So again, my dear friends, I end the video. There is no end to the topic. If you have any queries, please put in the comments. I'll respond you in due course of time. Thank you.